Today I will show you how I create an artwork that I can then print on merchandise using free image editing software, and I can do it all in one day. Today also I'm launching my brand new website, wildthistleart.com. If you want to support my art or shop the merchandise, just copy the link on the screen or in the description below. Here you can see that I have chosen coloured pencils as my medium of choice. I had just begun when I realised that I was not happy with my colour choices, and you will see how I deal with this problem later on. I used an A4 sheet of white paper, and now I regret that choice, as a larger sheet of paper would have allowed me to add much more detail. Notwithstanding these problems, I went ahead and scanned the artwork into Photopea.com image editing software. It is similar to Photoshop, but free. Here you can see that I am using the paintbrush tool on blending mode darken to add shape and depth to the feathers. The transparency of the brush was around 25%, so that the effect was subtle and not harsh. Once I had finished adding depth and shade, I noticed that the light edge of the blue feathers had become darker accidentally. So I used a small paintbrush tool, and this time the blending mode was screen, and it allowed me to brighten up all of the discoloured wing edges. This time the transparency was 50% and the result was good. To darken and contour the owl's talons, I chose the paintbrush tool and a darker brown colour, and added extra details and shading over and over till I was happy. To fill in the background, I duplicated, enlarged and darkened my owl image, placing the eyes so that they looked somehow haunting. Next I added my owl image on top of the background and flipped it horizontally so that the body of the owl was facing left, while the owls in the background were facing right. This adds tension to the overall composition. Next, I used curves to darken the owl, but not as dark as the background. I then used inner glow to add a small vignette to the edges. As you know, I wasn't keen on the colours I picked for my owl, so I used a trick I often use, where I colorise the image in monotone red, or purple, or green, or blue. Yes, I like the blue, the navy blue. I was hoping to use the finished artwork on my new website as a printed product, so after much messing around, I joined the navy blue owl with 3 of my similar animal images into a square shape and added it to both navy blue and white coloured tote bags. which are available for purchase now on my new website. So in just one day, I created an artwork and designed a print-on-demand tote bag to sell on my website, while filming the whole process to share with you. If you would like to download a free owl colouring page, use the link below. Goodbye.